Alright, guys, we got packages from Osprey Electronics. I don't know what's in these. I do have a single clue. It says VU33. I don't know if you can see that right here. Right here. VU33. So, I don't know exactly what is in these, but I do know that it could be out freaking standing. I don't know. Let's go with the small one first. So, guys, I hope you're all doing well and fantastic. We are going to try out a new schedule here on the show, on the channel, actually. Not really the show, but the channel. So we are going to try for a Monday, Wednesday, and a Friday upload. And that is mainly because of the new, like my new scheduling and just the kids' schedules. So we're going to try to go for that and still have the live stream on Saturdays. So we'll see how that plays out. But the Good Morning Miners update will be on Monday. And then this you'll see, which is, I think today is Wednesday. Yeah, Wednesday. Well, Wednesday for you. Nice. It was upside down. Okay. Okay. Nothing else. Alright, so fans. Guys, what is this? It says on. Alright. I gotta see this. I don't know what this is, guys. I can't quite pick it. What in the world, guys? What did they send us? Osprey E300 E3343. What? E300 16 gigabyte gas per hash rate. So that means this is a VU33P. What? They sent me a VU33P, guys? Right, let's get this out of the box. Ready? And boom. What? Guys. Osprey with the Noctua fans. So we'll be able to run this like inside the house. Or outside in the well house. This is out freaking standing. I don't have a power supply though. Well, time to order one. Wow. Osprey Electronics, guys. Shout out to y'all. So, guys, if you want to get any of these Osprey miners for yourself, you can actually get the VU35P, which is the E300 full boards, which is the 35P, and you can actually scoop that up and get the discount of $125 off using the codes capital Mykel, MYKEL 125, and that'll save you $125 off of that one. Now, the E300 VU33P, which is what this board is, but full, fully racked out, you can save $100 right now with the code Mykel100, and that is, of course, all caps on Mykel100. Then you come to the E100s, which is usually actually a VU35P, and you can save $30 off of that using Mykel, capital Mykel, underscore E100, and that'll save you $30 off of a VU35P model. So this one is actually A33, so you actually can't buy these. Extra rare, right? Yeah. So, of course, guys, super shout out to Osprey for sending this over to me. So, shout out to them. shout out to all of you who have ever ordered a E300 or E100 or any of the E100 300s, 33 or 35. Thank you guys, and thank you for using my codes, because without y'all using my codes, probably wouldn't have gotten this. So, y'all are out freaking standing. We'll catch y'all on the next one. Much love. Peace out. Stay savage. And, of course, guys, we'll see y'all next time. And we'll have videos coming up of overclocking this and seeing how far we can push a single board. And, yeah, maybe we can stack some sats up and start saving to buy the other hashing boards. Peace.